New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, the price is still moving up. Now we want to see, still we can look for the down move, or we should expect the correction here for the continuation. Anyway, we move to forward chart. We see how we can trade it if we move to forward chart. All right, if we refer back to my last video, and the price was within this range, I mean somewhere around this, we mentioned that we are more interested in the down move. Okay, but as we can see, the price move up, and even I explained my last video, the possibility that the price sharply can move is there. Okay, this is what we get. That's why I was mentioning that if we want to take the sell, we need to be aware about this. Anyway, now we want to see, shall we expect, I mean look for the correction for the continuation for the up, or still we are more interested in the down move? Okay, similar, still we hope the price can drop because we are more interested if we can get the down move. But now the thing is, we want to see how we can trade it. If we move to 1 hour chart, okay, first of all, I want to say this move was due to the news. Okay, in this case I want to refer to my last video when our trade, which we explained in my last video. Okay, when the price was around somewhere around this, we explained the first things is, if we want to look for sell, we should look for the trade setup. The another one is having entry. One of the option was below this, the another option was below this, which I said for me I'm more interested in this. But when we're having entry, I mean we want to trade by having entry. If there is a news, we should take out the trade. I mean we should don't trade by having entry during the news. See what's happened. That's why before we get the news, we shouldn't have this. I mean we shouldn't have an entry for the trade. The only thing is we should wait for the setup. Anyway, for anyone has a trade with having entry, okay, if they see this kind of the things, because when we say, we explain, if we want to have entry, what we expect, the price sharp move down. But if the price tag and we see it's not moving, the first thing we need to do is that our stop loss was somewhere around this. The first things, we should cut our stop loss. That means we move to this level. The another one is, as we can see, after a few hours it's not moving, we take out the trade. Okay, I hope the traders they know how to manage it. And the best things when we have a trade, by having entry like how we have it, if there is a news, we shouldn't trade. We should take out our entry. I mean we shouldn't have any entry for our trade because of the news and what we see will happen. Okay, anyway, as I say, if we get this kind of the situation, the first things is we should cut our we should remove our stop loss. We cut our risk. The another one is, if we see it's not moving, after a few hours we take out the trade, we accept the loss. Anyway, again we shouldn't trade because of the news. Now we want to see how we can trade for the next. As we can see, still the price is correcting here. As I say, we are more interested in the sell. Then how we can sell it. Right now we don't have trade setup, but if I get any flag here, I will look for the sell. Still I will look for the sell. Okay, and if I get sell within this, I mean get the flag here, I get the sell. As long as the price come to this level, somewhere around this, I will try to manage it. Okay, it depends. It doesn't mean I have to wait the price come here. If I see the price is drop but is correcting, then for sure we don't need to keep that trade. But in case the price continues similar to what we have here, when the price come to somewhere around this level, as I indicated, as we show here, then we start to manage it. All right, do we need to look for buy? Right now I won't buy. The only way, let the price come here, we get the correction, we see. I mean if you want to look for buy, we need to wait to get the proper correction here. All right, it depends how the price, I mean we get the correction. If this whether correct similar to what I'm drawing here, or let the price come here, drop, then from there we trade it. Anyway, for buy I don't suggest right now, and I'm not interested. If I want to buy, I wait for the to get more, I mean I give it some time to get more complex correction, right, to get the confirmation before I look for buy. But if I get any flag, I will sell it. Again, what we wanted down move. But if we taking the trade for the sell, if it is not moving, it's correcting, we take out the trade. But if it's move, it can give us very good trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart, we see how we can get, I mean hopefully we can get the trade. Thanks.